Is your WordPress website running slow or not ranking as high as you'd like in search results? In this video, I'll share the top ways to boost your WordPress site speed and SEO so you can rank higher, reduce bounce rates, and give your visitors a seamless experience. Hey everyone! Welcome back to Ali Shabazz YouTube channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated with our tips on web optimization and digital marketing. Let's dive in. First, let's quickly cover why site speed and SEO go hand in hand. A fast website doesn't just improve the user experience. It's also a direct ranking factor for Google. If your site is slow, users will leave, and that can lower your search ranking over time. Let's start with the foundation hosting. A reliable and fast hosting provider can make a world of difference in your site's speed. Consider switching to a WordPress-optimized host like SiteGround, Bluehost, or HostBreak that provides faster load times, caching, and dedicated resources. Images are often the biggest contributors to slow load times. Use image compression tools like Smush or Short Pixel to reduce the file size without losing quality. And remember, JPEGs are usually best for photos, while PNGs are great for graphics. One of the simplest ways to improve load time is by using a caching plugin. Plugins like WP Rocket, W3 Total Cache, or Lightspeed Cache can help by storing a static version of your pages so they load faster for visitors. Next, let's talk about minification. By reducing the file size of your CSS, JavaScript, and HTML, you'll decrease load times. Plugins like Autoptimize or WP Rocket can help automate this process. A CDN, or Content Delivery Network, distributes your website's content across servers worldwide, ensuring faster load times for visitors from different locations. Cloudflare and Bunny CDN are great options for WordPress users. Over time, your WordPress database collects a lot of data that can slow down your site. Using a plugin like WP Optimize can help clean out unnecessary files, revisions, and spam comments. Running too many plugins can weigh down your site. Remove or deactivate plugins you don't need, and look for lightweight alternatives if possible. Now for SEO. Install an SEO plugin like Yoast SEO or Rank Math to help optimize your content, manage meta tags, and improve your on-page SEO. Both plugins offer beginner-friendly settings to get you started. Section 10. Enable lazy loading. Lazy loading delays the loading of images and videos until they're visible on the screen. This helps speed up initial load times, especially for content-heavy pages. WordPress now has native lazy loading, but plugins like A3 Lazy Load can give you more control. Section 11. Optimize for mobile. Mobile optimization is critical for SEO. Ensure your WordPress theme is mobile-friendly and test your site with Google's mobile-friendly test. Also, use responsive images and avoid pop-ups that can disrupt mobile users. Section 12. Regularly monitor your site's performance. Finally, keep an eye on your site's performance. Use tools like Google PageSpeed Insights, GTmetrix, or Pingdom to track your load times and get optimization suggestions. Outro call to action. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll have a faster, more SEO-friendly WordPress website that both users and search engines will love. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more WordPress tips and tricks, and drop any questions or requests in the comments below. I'd love to help.